continue. Okay?
Hello, my name is Soichiro Ikenoue, the principal of Azo Elementary School. 今日は3月11日です。2011年のこの日に東日本大震災が起きました。クライストチャーチでもその年の2月に大地震が起きていました。悲しい災害を乗り越えて、どちらも復興に向けて頑張ってこられたと思います。この学校文化交流プログラムは、2020年12月にEITAKOという NPO 法人が阿曽小学校へ紹介してくださいました。その代表理事をされている人が酒井浩恵さんで、ここにいる酒井先生です。酒井先生のニュージーランドのお友達の藤川佳美さんがニュージーランドの代表理事をされていて、バーンサイド小学校のグリーニング先生を紹介してくださいました。それから4年半くらい、1年に3回、4年生を中心に外国語クラスでオンライン交流をしていただいています。このクラスでは、今までニュージーランドの生活や学校の様子を教えてもらったり、阿曽小学校も同様にニュージーランドの友達に私たちのことについて様々なことを伝えてきました。これからは今までの経験を生かして学校以外のことについても積極的に伝えていけたらいいなと思っています。例えば、阿蘇の歴史や文化、地域の行事やお祭り、食べ物などを自分たちの住んでいる地域についてもっとニュージーランドの人に知ってもらえたらいいなと思います。オンライン交流で日本とニュージーランドがつながったことで、未来を担う子どもたちにお互いの生活や文化の違い、共通点について学び合うことができることはとても良いことだと思います。これからもどうぞよろしくお願いします。
Hello, first of all, it's March 11th today. We had a great Japan earthquake on this day in 2011. You also had a big earthquake in Christchurch in February. Both of us, especially the people who live there, have overcome the sad disaster and have been working hard to reconstruct their lives. This school culture exchange program was introduced to Azo Elementary School by EITAKO, non-profitable organization, in December 2020. Hiroe Sakai is me, the representative director in Okayama of this NPO, and also the English teacher here at Azo. My friend Yoshimi Fujikawa is another representative director in New Zealand, and she introduced us to your school, Burnside Primary School, and Greening. We've been having Zoom session between Burnside and Azo for 4.5 years with your cooperation. In these sessions, we've learned your life, school, and culture, and so do we. We'd love to introduce not only about these things, but also about our Azo community history, culture, events, or festivals from now on. I think it's a very precious opportunity for students to learn about the same or different points of their life and culture, thanks to this connection. I hope we can continue this meaningful exchange for a long time. Thank you. So, shall we start the students' part?
Hello! This is my favorite place, library. We have picture books. This is my favorite place, 教室。
いいよ。
We have Japanese have koto.教室。
明るすぎて。
ビーカー。ガスト。
見せて、しっかり見せて、こんなあります。違う違う。
Do you have these?
What is the motivation to continue the school exchange program online with Azo Elementary School?
Okay, yeah. We we've got a long relationship. My very first time at the school was 2019, and the following year 2020. So I've been part of this program, and every year and every zone, it's been great getting to know Hiroi and the students, and actually learning about more about Japan and about Azo Elementary, and also it's great for our students to experience connecting with schools overseas, Azo Elementary, every Zoom we've had, it's just been so enjoyable. Our children love the build up to the Zoom. We do a lot of learning about Azo Elementary and Japan in general. It gives our children a chance to share things about our school and about New Zealand, curriculum-wise, children, it's a great way for our children to learn how to speak clearly, and also how to listen and learn new things that they don't know. Kia ora. What we've done today is our kids have done like a favourite food
Nice.
that they like, but I was thinking next time, I like what you've done by putting your students around the school, if that's okay.
Yes,
And
great.
we can do the principal's office and our music room and our hall and our classroom. Do this. Our favourite food. Go.
Our favorite food is sushi.
Fantastic. Well done, guys. Now, you thought you guys sit down.
Yes.
Okay, remember, they can, Azul can hear everything we're saying. So everyone swivel this way. So guys, remember, we want to hear what Hazel said. Should we try that one more time? Ready? Well done. 3, 2, 1, go.
Our favorite food is McDonald's. Our favorite food is cookies. Our favorite food is pizza.
So one more time, go.
Our favorite food is pizza. Our favorite food is jalebi.
It's an Indian type of treat. It's an Indian type of sweet.
Yeah, it's. Are you listening?
Yes, we are.
Thank you, Carmen. There's some questions now, so listen carefully. You might be able to answer it.
What kind of sushi do you like? What the flavor?
He said, what's the creep?
Do you like?
So Do you have a playground? So the question was, how many classrooms are there in your school?
8 classrooms.